Welcome back, guys. I'm going to show you how to make an Adobe Spark video today. So again, use your school email, create a free account. Then once you log in, you're going to come over here next to the plus sign. And we are going to come down here and make a video. Consistency is important. Stay top of mind, build trust, some good advertising hints, tips, and tricks. So we're going to call this one the eTech Health Minutes. Alright, here we are at the home screen. Now you've got your templates over here. You can go full screen, split screen, caption, title, and text. So maybe for your title and text, you would say something along the lines of wash your hands. And maybe your subheading is proper practices. Okay. Now the fun part about the Adobe Spark video is not only will it transition for you and have all the cool little things. If I change my theme, maybe I want to go on a dark theme or a medium theme, however, then we can record our voice. So if I hold down the microphone button, today we're going to talk about the proper way to wash your hands. Now my voice is recorded over that part of the video. So then I can go to the next slide. Maybe I want to add one here in the middle and add a photo. I'll look for some free photos. Hand wash. Let's see. This is a good one right here. Hands being washed. But maybe I want to go split screen. So half hands being washed, and then I can put some text over here. And I can type in 20 seconds, whatever else I need to. And then I can record my voice again. Make sure that you use warm running water for at least 20 seconds. And make sure that you cover all the surfaces of your hands. Don't forget those nails. So you can either play this slide by itself over here, or you can come down here and play the whole presentation. So I'm going to go ahead and exit that. Maybe I don't feel the music on that one. You can come up here to the top right, change the music. And then you can change the volume of the music as well. And then when you're done, you're going to come up here to the share button, publish. You can change the title however you'd like to. Then you'll create a link. Once you have that link, you can copy it and send it to me. Now, Teams is a little tricky because you probably haven't linked your accounts yet, so go ahead and just copy the link, paste it in a Teams message, or you can email me if you'd like, and that's how I'll get it. So that is how you create an Adobe Spark video. I can't wait to see your projects on Thursday.